Yun, so dyan po kami, no, umagang-umagang sa Pag-Umin Tour. So yan, update ko mamaya mga kagala. So ayun na nga, update tayo mga kagala. So dito tayo. Day 1 tour. Okay. So namin. So ito na mga kagala, no, start na tayo ng ng tour, no. So sa muna tayo mga kagala, so sa mountain.
Sir, just be mindful or be familiarized with the color of the boat and the size of it, because later on in every destination on the island we have the same color, same boat, but different name. Yes, Sumamin sir, your boat is MBCA Yumi number 3. Yes. Number 3. So what is your boat again?
Number 3.
Alright. Sumamin sir, does anyone know what is the meaning of Yumi? Yes, you're from Japan, right? Yes. Because the owner of this boat may award before at Japan. That's why they ocean. Alright. Sumamin sir, by the way, my name is Ken Cervantes and raised here in Palawan, specifically here in El Nido. 30 years old and single. Ken without Barbie. Sumamin sir, I'm not the only one tour guide who will be assisting you today. I have my buddy with me. Give it up for Mr. Kevin. Hello everybody. Hi, good morning. Together with his buddy. And he is from the movie of Maging Sino Ka Man. Yes, the AKA Ruben Padilla. Yes, Mr. Jonas Baltasar. Sumamin sir, also the most important man on our boat is our Kapitan. Yes, Sumamin sir, our captain is a licensed captain for a decade now. So I'm proudly to say that we are in a good hands. Yes, Sumamin sir, from the movie of the Pirates of the Caribbean, AKA Jack Sparrow of El Nido. Give it up for Mr. Nobel Lipato. Good morning, Captain. Everybody say hi, hi, Captain. Hi, Captain. Alright. People on the boat, clap your hands all the way from Italy.
Yeah!
Oh, last but not least, we have guys from UK.
Yeah!
Sumamin sir, we are finally leaving. The question is, are you ready?
Yes!
If you're ready, make some noise. Everybody say, Sumamin sir, put your hands up in the air. Let's see you, sir. Come on. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. When people on the boat say ho, ho, say ho, ho, say hey, hey, say Alright, Sumamin sir, let's discuss our itinerary for today. Everyone has the orange color sticker with you?
Sticker na sa
Alright,
pagdo.
so that this means
Ay,
you are
dito pala.
running a tour C package, right?
Kami nagsasagot yung sticker, diba? Bigyan mo dyan, Noy.
Sumamin sir,
Kaya ako dali.
Oh, yung sticker na gamit mo na.
at
Upay
the
na ako.
last
Meron pa kami
time.
yan, may bibigay yan.
If you don't have sticker later for our lunch area, I'm sorry. Tomorrow on a diet today. No, just kidding. Just
Pwede naman yan, diba? Kuha ka dito.
Alright, Sumamin sir, Tour C is composing of 5 destinations. So the first one is the helicopter island. Second is Hidden Beach. The third, probably by that time you are. We're gonna take our lunch to Matinlong Shrine or Alisay Beach. Fourth, we have the surfing area. And last but not the least,
Okay mo siya, no?
Is everyone first timer?
Wala na.
Wala na, yun lang binigay mo sa akin.
Ilan ba ito?
Binigay mo lang sa akin.
Raise your hand if this is your first time.
First time.
This is my first time.
Mom and sir, I have some bad news with good news about our eating reality.